How to change date and time on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Additional Settings. After click on Additional Settings, click on, you will see first option is date and time. Click on date and time and turn off set time automatically. If you want to change date, click on date, so you will change date from here. If you want to change month, so you will change month from here and change year. You will see date is changed. If you want to change time, so change time from here. After change time, click on OK. You will see date and time is changed, and turn on this button. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change date and time on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.